Good morning, friends. I hope your Saturday started well. And this has been an exciting week on the markets, particularly if you knew what was coming. So, before we move forward, as usual, please like, share, subscribe. And today, I will give you reasons why you should do that. Okay. Now, let's see how much did we warn you about what was coming this week. So these are my videos. I will not replay them. Some people do often, because that will waste time. Now this is a video that I posted 1 week back, and the heading is Monday. Markets have sudden fall. It changes the game. So on 23rd of Jan 2021, which was last week, a weekend, I told you that this narrow range is forming and which is going to lead to a collapse on the downside. Okay, let's see some more. After that, we posted a video 3 days back which said Nifty ready for an earthquake. Does it get any clearer than this? This was 26th of Jan. Okay. Again, this was day before. Again, we said market is going to collapse on 27th of Jan. Beware. Okay. On a day when you had a gap up, what did we say? Has the market bottomed out? In this video, I cautioned you not to become positive before 14,000 or 31,000 on Bank Nifty are crossed. So if you still don't have enough reasons to like, share, subscribe, then there's a problem. All of this information in great detail, along with specific trades, were given to our join button clients. And we've had a tremendous week because most of the time we were short. Even yesterday, we made money. I have posted those screenshots on Facebook. And, that is the big reason to join our platinum service, where I'll be sitting with you through this kind of crazy volatility, keeping you out of trouble, capitalizing when we can. And, this thing is going to continue for a bit. So join our services, join the platinum button, and benefit from up and down markets. See, somebody may say volatility. Volatility for a trader is mother's milk. How do you make money if there is no volatility? But volatility is a horse that you have to ride carefully. So the platinum service has index, swing calls, intraday stock calls, has portfolios, has all kinds of, psychology training, money management training, which is a key part. When you sit with me, I'll tell you stories of what happened in, X year and Y year, and how we dealt with it and how to think and what to do over the weekend. So it's basically, um, sitting and learning through anecdotes, etc. If you have questions, WhatsApp 98710 66337. Email Ashwani @Gujral at yahoo.com. That is ASHWANI_GUJRAL at yahoo.com. Some people have a problem that I promote platinum service a lot because that has the most amount of value. But there are other services, diamond, gold, silver, copper, and these are cheaper services. And obviously, if you are paying lesser money, you have, a certain limitation of what you are offered. But these are, like trial service for our bigger services, which is the platinum button. I have had email yesterday from a person saying that, just by watching my videos, he has benefited. So the idea is the person who's hungry can benefit even from our free engagement. For that, you should join our group, Ashwani Gujral followers. You should join our Facebook page, Ashwani Gujral business page, and chances are that you will be able to benefit. Okay, enough advertising. Now we get back to what I want to talk about. Now this is the S&P 500. Now I had mentioned in a previous video that this is a strong breakdown signal. On the next day, we made a smallish green bar where we sold off from the highs. And yesterday, we have broken or confirmed this breakdown by breaking these lows. In my view, S&P 500 has now opened up levels of, I think, 3550 to 3580. See, what is the reason for this S&P decline? A, markets were overstretched. B, all of this GameStop issue is creating uncertainty in those markets regarding what sort of regulations may come in. So this sort of conflict is never healthy for the market. And I like to have reasons about why certain things are happening. So for the moment, even if you see the weekly chart here, S&P 500 has taken out last 3 weeks worth of action. So this is as bearish and a bearish engulfing that can get. If you see monthly, I will do monthly on all charts because this is the first month when you are getting these shooting star type patterns on most indices. Okay. Now let's go back to our Nifty. Investing.com, something keeps going wrong. I have something else. Okay. So we have our Nifty. This is the daily chart. This was a doji, and there was a lot of noise that market is going to bottom out, etc. Yesterday we opened gap up and we never really crossed the opening high and we started to collapse. Yesterday you had S&P 500 futures which were down, I think, about 50 odd points. So there was never any question that the markets are going to come down. Now on the weekly chart here, what you are seeing is those two dojis from where you had a collapse. This is start of the decline, and the rate at which you are coming down, I had an initial target of 13,200. I might just have to revise it. So do not go long in the market thinking it is going to bottom out in a hurry. It is going to go down for a while. Now, this is the monthly chart of the Nifty. Again, you can see big shooting star pattern. If the low of yesterday is taken out, which is the monthly low, you will have a further decline. Hear the warning very clearly. This is not your support resistance market and 50 DMA and 20 DMA, etc. This is a market where more and more people will start to lose money as the market comes down, and you will have a stampede out of the door. Yesterday, FII sold 6,000 crores. Obviously, something is breaking down. Do not play against those large players. They will kill you. See, we had a massive rally. So the correction is going to be massive. It won't be your 500-700 garden variety correction. Let's look at the Bank Nifty. Again, Bank Nifty looks positive, but I would think the moment the lows of yesterday are taken out, Bank Nifty will have a further collapse to the downside. So the way I am going to use the budget is, if the budget is positive and on Monday we close at the highs, etc., I will use that opportunity to go short. Let me say this unequivocally. You can get the best budget possible. This market will go down. End of story. I don't want to hear anything against that argument. Okay. Whether you tinker with taxes, if you tinker with taxes, the market will go up an extra day. But if globally markets are coming down, we will collapse. Period. February will be a dark month. It's got nothing to do with the budget, but it's got everything to do with global markets coming off. Because they have gone up so much, they will come down also. It will look like a mini bear market. Okay, again, Bank Nifty, 2 down weeks, more is coming. Let's look at monthly on Bank Nifty. Again, Bank Nifty has kind of made a double top. Confirmation below the low of yesterday, which is the monthly low. I think there is more trouble ahead. You want to know some monthly kind of levels? Let me take you to the monthly pivot. The monthly pivot on Nifty is now 13,994, about 14,000. The monthly pivot on Bank Nifty is exactly 31,000. So those are your lines in the sand till they are not taken out. This is sell on rally market. No matter what anyone says, no matter the kind of gap up you get, please hear this very, very clearly. Okay. Monday, I'm not planning to trade. I will wait and see what happens. I'm looking for a scenario where the Nifty, Bank Nifty close at their highs, and then we can pounce on them, maybe on Tuesday, etc. Once this budget fever is over. Let's be clear, we are negative on the market, and the sort of momentum you have, we are going much, much lower. In terms of individual stocks, I don't think there is any value left in discussing them, because all stocks will collapse. IT will collapse, pharma will collapse, banking will collapse, because everything has had such large rallies. So if you want, this kind of advice, use our platinum services, because the point is that, I've seen lots of people 13,800 is a good support, 14,000 is a good support, buy, 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 and the market again collapses on them. This is a collapsing market. So if you have hand holding, you'll be safe. Okay. I am making money on trading. I will keep doing that. But for proper hand holding, to know how professional traders work and think, it's very important to get guidance at these, critical points. Okay. There will come a point where we will buy into the market for longer term. But if you buy too early or if you sell too late, there is trouble. So like, share, subscribe. Have a great weekend, and we'll meet you in another video on Monday, hopefully, because there is nothing to talk about in a collapsing market. So that, please remember my points. That should be it. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.